Hi folks, Christian Brindle here, and today I'm going to give you a walk-through step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for extra help, also known as low-income subsidy. So let's get right into it. If you're on Medicare and you have Medicare Part D coverage, whether it be through a Medicare Advantage plan or on its own separately as a Part D standalone PDP Part D prescription drug plan, you can qualify potentially for something called extra help, which is low income subsidy through your various state. It is particularly designed for people in lower income brackets, and it can help pay premiums of Part D plans and Medicare Advantage plans if there are any, in some cases, depending on the level that you're granted, and also help pay co-pays, a percentage of them at the very least, to help lower your prescription drug costs at no additional charge if you qualify. So how you apply is you start out by going to ssa.gov, which is the Social Security Administration's website. You go over here to this box that says menu with these three lines. Click on that, and what will pop up is all of these different options and where you want to go. You want to click this section right here that says extra help with Medicare prescription drug plan costs. You click on that and you'll be redirected to a new page. So this kind of gives you some helpful information, in my opinion, on the extra help low income subsidy program. It says right here, Medicare beneficiaries can qualify for extra help with their Medicare prescription drug plan costs. The extra help is estimated to be worth about $4,900 per year. To qualify for the extra help, a person must be receiving Medicare, have limited resources and income, and reside in one of the 50 states or the District of Columbia. So we're going to want to click on this blue box right here that says apply for extra help with Medicare prescription drug plan costs. We'll be directed to a new page. And for those of you who are wondering, the time of this video being created, these are the qualifications to qualify for extra help. You must have Medicare Part A and or Medicare Part B. You must live in one of the 50 states in the country or the District of Columbia, and your combined savings and investments and real estate are not worth more than $28,720. If you're married and living with your spouse, or $14,390 if you are not currently married or not living with your spouse. So those are basically the requirements. Do not count your home, vehicles, personal possessions, life insurance, burial plots, irrevocable burial contracts, or back payments from Social Security or SSI. If you have more than those amounts, you may not qualify for the extra help. However, you can still enroll in an approved Medicare prescription drug plan for coverage. Exception: even if you meet these conditions, do not complete this application if you have Medicare and supplemental security income or Medicare and Medicaid, because you automatically will receive extra help with these programs. So we're going to want to scroll down here, and you're going to see this button in gray that says apply now, or if you've started an application in the past and you have the information to re-enter that application, you can return to the existing application. You can also click here and see if you apply, but for now, or you qualify, but for now we're going to just click on apply now. Make sure you don't want to hit back. Kind of screws everything up. And you see a bunch of information here on kind of how to do this and how this works. We're going to hit next. And then we have the application. So are you assisting someone with this application? We'll say no. Did you or your spouse, if married and living together, get an application in the mail from us? Typically, when you first get onto Medicare, you receive an extra help application in the mail automatically with your Medicare Part A and B card. So you may have received one of these already. The other ways you can qualify is by contacting your local Social Security office, going into the office, or filling out that form and sending it back in. But this is, in my opinion, one of the easier ways to go about it. Do you or your spouse, if married and living together, have Medicare? We'll say yes. Are you or your spouse, if married and living together, 64 years and 9 months old or older? We'll say yes. I'm not, but for the sake of example. Have you or your spouse, if married and living together, received Social Security disability benefits for 24 months, disability benefits based on Lou Gehrig's disease or renal dialysis treatments, or a kidney transplant? We'll say no. In which state do you live? Well, we'll use my home state as an example, Utah. What's your marital status? We'll say married, living together. Do you have combined savings, investments, and real estate worth more than $28,720? We kind of went over that. We're going to say no or not sure. We'll go next. Then we hit apply now. And from that point, you just fill out your information. Name, social security, date of birth, and various other pieces of information. And this is how you apply for low-income subsidy, also known as extra help. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do us a favor, drop a like on this video, subscribe for future content like this, tutorials and other future Medicare information on this channel, and drop a comment down on what you'd like to see us make a tutorial on next. Take care.